Dear students, good morning. How are you? I am your physics teacher, Shafiq Malik, from Pakistan International School, Doha, Qatar. As you know, this is our 6th week of virtual learning. In last week, we have completed all the topics of our first unit, Work and Energy, of grade 8 physics. Today we will solve exercise questions of this unit. Therefore, all of you please open your science book, page number 12. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to solve multiple choice questions. Determine statements as true or false. Calculate the amount of energy in joules. Exercise. Page number 12. Question number 1. Multiple choice questions part 1. Which is the best definition of work? A. Work is done when a force makes something move. B. Work is done when a force makes something stand still. C. Work is done when no force is used to make an object stand still. D. Work is done when no force is used to move an object. Now what is the answer? Yes, the correct answer is A. Work is done when a force makes something move. Circle the option A on a book. Part 2. What is the unit of energy? A. Decibel, B. Hertz, C. Joule, D. Ohm. Now what is the answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. Joule. Circle the option C on your book. Part 3. An iPad converts electrical energy into A. Light energy, thermal energy, and kinetic energy. B. Light energy, sound energy, and kinetic energy. C. Sound energy, light energy, and thermal energy. D. Sound energy, thermal energy, and kinetic energy. Now what is the answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. Sound energy, light energy, and thermal energy. Circle the option C on your book. Part 4. What is gravitational field strength, G, on Earth? A. 1 Newton over kilogram. B. 10 Newton over kilogram. C. 100 Newton over kilogram. D. 1000 Newton over kilogram. Now what is the answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. 10 Newton over kilogram. Circle the option B on your book. Part 5. The kinetic energy of an object depends on A. Mass only. B. Speed only. C. Mass and speed. D. None of the above. Now what is the answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. Mass and speed. Circle the option C on your book. Question number 2. Part 1. The amount of work done depends only on the size of force. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false, because amount of work done depends on the size of force, as well as the distance moved. So work done depends upon two things, which are force and distance. Now write down false in front of the statement on your book. Part 2. No energy is used when work is done. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. Without energy you are not able to perform work. Now write down false in front of the statement on your book. Part 3. The units for work and energy are the same. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true, because work and energy both are related to each other. Write down true in front of the statement on your book. Part 4. An energy chain is when one type of energy is converted to another. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true, because it is the definition of energy chain. Now write down true in front of the statement on your book. Part 5. Any object lifted above the ground has gravitational potential energy, G.P.A. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true, because it is the definition of gravitational potential energy. Now write down true in front of the statement on your book. Question number 3. Page number 13. What are the following amounts of energy in joules? Part 1. 20 kilojoule. Its solution is. As you know that 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joule. Therefore 1 kJ is equal to 1000 J. Now we will multiply 20 with 1000 joule, which is equal to 20,000 joule or 20,000 J. Part 2. 10 megajoule. Its solution is. As you know that 1 megajoule is equal to 1 million joule. Therefore 1 mJ is equal to 1 million J. Now we will multiply 10 with 1 million joule, which is equal to 10 million joule, or 10 million J. Part 3. 2.5 megajoule. Its solution is. As you know that 1 megajoule is equal to 1 million joule. Therefore 1 mJ is equal to 1 million J. Now we will multiply 2.5 with 1 million joule, which is equal to 2,500,000 joules or 2,500,000 J. Part 4. 0.5 kilojoule. Its solution is. As you know that 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joule. Therefore 1 kJ is equal to 1000 J. Now we will multiply 0.5 with 1000 joule, which is equal to 500 joule or 500 J. Solve all parts of question number 3 on your notebook. In our next lesson, we will solve the remaining questions of this exercise. I hope you have understood all these questions. Please don't hesitate to ask your subject teacher if you are facing any difficulty. Thank you and goodbye.